What is place? We use the word every day. We talk about our favorite places, our place in the world. But what exactly do we mean? In physics, place is a fundamental concept, just like time and matter. It's not just where something is, but it helps to define what something is. Think about it. Can you truly separate an object from its place in the universe? This is where it gets interesting. Aristotle, the ancient Greek philosopher, believed that place was essential to understanding the universe. He said that everything has a natural place. But is this true? Let's investigate further. Place is intimately connected to motion. Imagine a leaf falling from a tree. We see the leaf moving, but it's also changing its place. Aristotle believed that objects moved to reach their natural place. For example, a stone falls to the ground because its natural place is down, towards the center of the earth. Smoke, on the other hand, rises because its natural place is up in the air. This idea of natural place seems intuitive, but does it hold up to scientific scrutiny? Aristotle proposed an interesting idea: mutual replacement. He believed that when an object moves, it takes the place of something else, and that something else takes its place. Think about a game of musical chairs. When the music stops, each child rushes to an empty chair. They are replacing one another in a constant dance of motion and place. This concept, while simple, helps us understand how objects interact with each other and their environment. Section 4, the pull of place. Is it possible that place itself has power? Aristotle certainly thought so. He believed that different places had different qualities. Some places were naturally hot, others cold, some were wet, and others dry. Take fire, for instance. Fire seems drawn to a specific place, upwards, as if the air above has a special power over it. Similarly, Earth seems pulled downwards as if the ground below beckons it. These observations, while readily apparent in our everyday lives, pose a fascinating question. Does place itself have agency? Section 5. The mystery remains. The concept of place remains a puzzle even today. While we have made great strides in understanding the universe, the true nature of place continues to elude us. Is it merely a coordinate on a map, or does it hold a deeper meaning? Aristotle's ideas, while centuries old, offer a starting point for our exploration. Place is not simply an empty container for objects. It is intricately woven into the fabric of the universe, influencing the motion of objects and perhaps even possessing its own unique properties. The mystery of place, like so many mysteries in science and philosophy, invites us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the wonders of the universe.